Oh. Hey guys, oh my goodness, I know it has been so long. By so long, I literally mean like a couple months. Due to personal reasons, I was not able to film or post. But anyways, we're not going to be talking about that in today's video. We are going to be talking about fall. I honestly cannot say fall is my favorite season. Honestly, I'm low-key scared because I know the depressional season is going to hit eventually. No way this girl said depressional season. Seasonal depression. It's seasonal depression. I'm just not mentally prepared for that. But nonetheless, I kind of just want to hype the season up a bit and give it the best shot. We're going to be doing a bunch of fall themed activities. I have a list here on my phone of a bunch of fall things that I want to do in today's video. Okay guys, before we head to the mall, we're just going to do a quick little OOTD. Please do not mind the messy background. It's a disaster. This sweater is guess. It's just like, I don't know, cute little cream color. All my jewelry here is from Every Jewels. My purse here was a gift from my aunt. My jeans here are Levi's. Got them from Aritzia though. I think they're called the dad jeans. And lastly, for shoes, I'm just wearing my UGG minis. Guys, filming in public is so scary. Anyways, cheers. I feel like it's the perfect amount of like pumpkin spice. Hey guys, so we're back home. We have a special gift. I promise he loves me because he's so cute. Anyways guys, we are back home. It is literally dark out. You're shopping for a little way too long. But yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick haul of everything we got. And then we can start decorating and all that jazz. Okay, so first we have HomeSense / Marshalls. I only got one thing. Like, as you could tell in the clips before, the Halloween / fall section was not giving, okay? Like, it was kind of dead. I don't know if I was too late, but yeah, we just got one thing. It is the peach cobbler candle. It even has a little recipe that you could follow. It smells so good. Like, there was also this pumpkin one in the same packaging. I just didn't like it as much as this. I like this scent so much better, and plus literally so cute. Like, look at that. I cannot wait to light this. Okay, next up we have some cookies. As you saw from Walmart, I just picked up some of these pumpkin Pillsbury dough ready to bake cookies. I always make homemade and from scratch, so this is gonna be so much easier to do. And to go with that, I also got just some regular cookie dough. Okay, and lastly, I got this on like the first week of school at the same Walmart. I just went with one of my friends and we picked up these really cute pumpkins, guys. Like, look how cute they are. They were like $2 each, and we kind of went a little crazy. But you know, that's okay guys, because look how cute these are. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, so here's the vision, guys. I'm thinking of putting Hero. Oh my goodness, this guy. I'm thinking of putting these 3 together because they just look super cute. And I think I'm just gonna do these 2. I mean, I'm definitely not gonna go too crazy with the fall/Halloween decorations, but I think a little something is better than nothing. So, do you guys see that? Hold on. This guy thinks it's a toy. And it obviously changed into some comfier clothes. And we are going to... Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hero! That's not you. Hero! Anyways, guys, we are going to get to cleaning because my room is a mess. And I really want to put all these decorations up. Light the candle, play some Gilmore Girls. You already know.
Here is the current state of my room. She's looking a little, I mean, it's not too bad. Like, the floor is pretty well clean. That's everything I just showed here. Big pile of clothes, and I made my bed. So
that is what we're working with right now. But let's get to cleaning. Alright guys, so we're finally done cleaning. You can already tell the room looks so much better already. Before we do the final room tour, we are just going to decorate, send the pumpkins down, and light the candle. Alright guys, so the last thing on our to-do list for fall activities for this video is going to be making some fall cookies. So what I have here is the Pillsbury pumpkin little sugar cookies, I think these are. And then I also just got a regular dough of chocolate chunk cookie dough that you kind of, you know, cut up. Also, it is literally 12 a.m. I'm kind of tired, but I also am really craving cookies. So let's get to it. Gorgeous. It's like 2 a.m. So good. So good. And that basically concludes the end of this vlog, guys. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys soon. Love you. Bye.